Welcome, science lovers! Let's test your brain power with a 40-question science quiz that gets trickier with every round. What state of matter is water when it turns into ice? Is it A, gas, B, liquid, or C, solid? It's C, solid! Molecules lock into a fixed structure. Which green pigment in plants absorbs sunlight to make food? Is it A, chlorophyll, B, cytoplasm, or C, cellulose? It's A, chlorophyll. It absorbs light energy for photosynthesis. Which planet is closest to the sun? Is it A, Venus, B, Mercury, or C, Mars? It's B, Mercury. It orbits the sun in 88 days. What is the outermost layer of the Earth called? Is it A, mantle, B, core, or C, crust? It's C, crust. It is the thin, rocky outer layer. Which organ pumps blood throughout your body? Is it A, lungs, B, heart, or C, brain? It's B, heart. It pumps blood through your body. What force pulls objects down toward the center of the Earth? Is it A, gravity, B, magnetism, or C, friction? It's A, gravity. It pulls objects toward each other. Which living things make their own food using sunlight? Is it A, producers, B, consumers, or C, decomposers? It's A, producers. They make food through photosynthesis. What is it called when liquid water turns into water vapor? Is it A, condensation, B, evaporation, or C, precipitation? It's B, evaporation. Heat turns liquid water into gas. Which simple machine is a wheel with a grooved rim and a rope? Is it A, lever, B, pulley, or C, inclined plane? It's B, pulley. It uses a wheel and rope. What instrument is used to measure air temperature? Is it A, thermometer, B, barometer, or C, anemometer? It's A, thermometer. It measures thermal energy. What type of rock is formed from cooled magma or lava? Is it A, igneous, B, sedimentary, or C, metamorphic? It's A, igneous. It forms when molten rock cools. Which organelle acts as the control center or brain of a cell? Is it A, mitochondria, B, nucleus, or C, vacuole? It's B, nucleus. It contains the cell's DNA. What negatively charged particles orbit the nucleus of an atom? Is it A, protons, B, neutrons, or C, electrons? It's C, electrons. They are negatively charged particles. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere is closest to the ground? Is it A, stratosphere, B, troposphere, or C, mesosphere? It's B, troposphere. This is where weather occurs. What is the force that resists motion when two surfaces touch? Is it A, friction, B, inertia, or C, gravity? It's A, friction. It resists motion when surfaces touch. What causes the phases of the moon as seen from Earth? Is it A, Earth's shadow, B, moon's orbit, or C, solar flares? It's B, moon's orbit. We see different sunlit angles. If a liquid has a pH level of 2, how is it classified? Is it A, acidic, B, basic, or C, neutral? It's A, acidic. Any pH below 7 is acidic. What are the tiny openings on leaves used for gas exchange called? Is it A, stomata, B, pores, or C, xylem? It's A, stomata. They let gases in and out. What kind of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? Is it A, kinetic energy, B, potential energy, or C, thermal energy? It's B, potential energy. It is stored energy. What do we call a symbiotic relationship where one organism benefits and the other is harmed? Is it A, mutualism, B, commensalism, or C, parasitism? It's C, parasitism. One organism harms its host. What type of plate boundary occurs when two tectonic plates slide past each other horizontally? Is it A, divergent, B, convergent, or C, transform? It's C, transform. Plates slide horizontally past each other. Which cellular organelle is responsible for generating chemical energy? Is it A, Golgi body, B, mitochondria, or C, ribosome? It's B, mitochondria. They generate chemical energy. What are the specialized cells that transmit electrical signals in the nervous system? Is it A, neurons, B, nephrons, or C, platelets? It's A, neurons. They transmit electrical signals. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Is it A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, or C, carbon dioxide? It's B, nitrogen. It makes up 78%. What is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another called? Is it A, reflection, B, refraction, or C, diffraction? It's B, refraction. Light bends as it changes speed. What is the genetic material that carries the instructions for all living things? Is it A, RNA, B, protein, or C, DNA? It's C, DNA. It carries genetic instructions. What type of weathering occurs when water freezes in rock cracks and splits them open? Is it A, frost wedging, B, chemical oxidation, or C, carbonation? It's A, frost wedging. Freezing water expands and splits rocks. In a saltwater solution, what term describes the salt? Is it A, solvent, B, solute, or C, suspension? It's B, solute. The solute gets dissolved. What is the massive glowing ball of gas that a star begins its life as? Is it A, nebula, B, supernova, or C, red giant? It's A, nebula. It is a giant gas cloud. In which organ does most of the chemical digestion and nutrient absorption take place? Is it A, stomach, B, small intestine, or C, large intestine? It's B, small intestine. It absorbs nutrients. What determines the pitch of a sound wave? Is it A, amplitude, B, frequency, or C, velocity? It's B, frequency. Frequency determines sound pitch. Which group of elements on the periodic table is completely unreactive? Is it A, halogens, B, alkali metals, or C, noble gases? It's C, noble gases. They have full electron shells. What scale is used to measure the wind speed and damage of tornadoes? Is it A, Richter scale, B, Fujita scale, or C, Beaufort scale? It's B, Fujita scale. It rates tornado damage. Which specialized plant tissue transports water and minerals upwards from the roots? Is it A, phloem, B, xylem, or C, cambium? It's B, xylem. It transports water upwards. What scale is used to measure the scratch resistance or hardness of minerals? Is it A, Mohs scale, B, Richter scale, or C, Celsius scale? It's A, Mohs scale. It rates mineral hardness. What is the transfer of heat through direct contact between two objects? Is it A, convection, B, radiation, or C, conduction? It's C, conduction. Heat transfers through direct contact. What type of unicellular organism lacks a defined nucleus? Is it A, prokaryote, B, eukaryote, or C, protozoan? It's A, prokaryote. It lacks a defined nucleus. What is the point of no return around a black hole where gravity is too strong to escape? Is it A, singularity, B, event horizon, or C, accretion disk? It's B, event horizon. Gravity is too strong to escape. What type of chemical bond is formed when atoms share electrons? Is it A, ionic bond, B, covalent bond, or C, hydrogen bond? It's B, covalent bond. Atoms share electron pairs. Which biological process converts atmospheric nitrogen into a form plants can actually use? Is it A, nitrogen fixation, B, denitrification, or C, assimilation? It's A, nitrogen fixation. It turns nitrogen into ammonia. How many science questions did you get right? Tell us in the comments below, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.